Bonjour my friends, I'm Frankie and welcome to Club Foodie. There are some old recipes that just stopped being popular for no reason. They are incredibly tasty and some of them are extremely easy to make. There's one that is so laid back because everyone can go at their own pace. It's also a great meal to share with your partner for a romantic dinner. In today's episode, I'll show you how to make my Fondue Bourguignonne with different sauces that go very well with it. How easy could it be? After the beef bouillon is made, along with a few different sauces of your choice, a baked potato, and a salad, this dish is pretty much done. Well, except your guests still have to cook their own meat. So my friends, let's get cooking. In a medium saucepan over medium heat, we'll add just a little bit of oil. And when it gets hot, we'll add the onions. We'll saute them for only 1 minute before adding the pressed garlic. We'll cook the two ingredients until they become soft and translucent, about 1.5 minutes. We don't want to brown them, all right? To this, we'll pour in beef broth and dry red wine. To give extra flavor, we'll add Worcestershire sauce, an onion soup mix. Now, if you want to make your own, click on the top right corner of your screen. Then some soy sauce, a large sprig of rosemary, and freshly ground black pepper. We'll stir the ingredients well and bring it to a very gentle simmer, about 5 minutes. Before we transfer the bouillon in the fondue pot, we'll remove the rosemary sprig and discard it. We'll also taste and adjust if necessary. For mine, I had to add some water. Of course, if we add something, we'll have to stir. Then we'll remove the bouillon from the heat, carefully pour in the fondue pot, and we're pretty much done. I'm not showing you how to make any of the sauces, but all of them are on the website. So, have a look. And my friends, this is our Fondue Bourguignonne. This is so easy to put together, and it's a great meal to serve because it's relaxing and fun. The sauces don't take much time to make, nor does the beef bouillon, which can also be used for game meats. I hope you give it a try soon, and be sure to visit clubfoodie.com for ingredient amounts and more info. Until next time, my friends, bon appétit!